and in Groton, partly sunny, and 76. In New York State, at Albany, cloudy, and 70. In New York City, cloudy, and 79. And in Islip, partly sunny, and 82. In Rhode This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Now for the 10 a.m. observations across the northeastern United States. In Connecticut, at Danbury, partly sunny, and 79. In New Haven, cloudy, and 81. At Bridgeport, partly sunny, and 80.